Surface mount your compatible ECHOMAP Plus chart plotter sounder combo using our bail mount with knobs. The mount tilts for optimum viewing. Plugging the cables into the mount's quick-release cradle allows you to seat, unseat your device with ease. Package dimensions: 9. 1L×33. 6H×19. 9W centimeters. Package weight: 0. 774 kilograms. Country of origin: Taiwan, Province of China. Compatible with ECHOMAP Plus, 92 SV, 93 SV, 94 SV, 95 SV, 97 SV, ECHOMAP UHD, 92 SV, 93 SV, 94 SV, 95 SV, Panoptix LiveScope Ice Fishing Bundle. Top reviews from the United States. So handy. Ended up buying 2 extra of these. Out 1 in my bowfishing boat, 1 in the pontoon boat, and 1 in my ice fishing setup. Just pop the head unit out and go boat to ice fishing. Use my Garmin year-round now. Garmin 93 SV Plus.